Hi and welcome to this episode of Pebble Plus support video. In this one we're going to be looking at how to access the Engineering and Science PDP template and how to double check that that process of saving it has worked. So the first thing you're going to want to do when you've logged in is to look for something called the Resource Center, which is under a star icon at the top of the screen here. And when you click that, you're going to be able to see assets that have been placed in a kind of collective store for you to look at. And under the tab, we can see a row of filter options. So under those that have been placed in that collective store for me to access, I can see here, if I click and drag this this title section across, Faculty of Engineering and Science PDP. So I'm going to click on that, and at the bottom of the screen I can say that I want to use it. I'm going to click on use. Here it's prompting to just check that I want to start with a new version of this template, or whether I want to view existing versions that I've been working on in the past. But I want a new version. And when I click on that, I'm presented with the template, empty template, without any entries or changes made to it. And on this introductory page it tells me a bit of background about it, and as I scroll down I can see options for me to be able to enter my details, and I'm going to do that. So I've entered the details, and hopefully you'll do the same when you first start it up, because at this point I'm then going to save the asset. In the top right hand corner there's a disk icon just next to the close. So I get the prompt, it's told me it's successfully saved, and then I'm going to close it and come back to this screen just to check that it's been successful. I can go to my assets, my asset store. I can either do this by clicking on the neighboring tab, or at the top of the screen there's again this same icon but 4 boxes for the asset store. And when I click there, I should see towards the top of the list, because these are in date order, the template, the version of the template that has just been set, that we just saved. So when I go to view, again I see the template, and when I scroll down I can see that the details that I just entered are here successfully. So that there is a quick introduction to how to access the template and save a copy for yourself. Thank you.